The mid-size adventure segment is entering a new era, and Triumph looks ready to make a serious statement. Recent spy shots of the upcoming Triumph Tiger 95.0 have revealed a machine that appears far more than a routine facelift. This looks like a major step forward for the Tiger family. One of the biggest discoveries is the use of dual radar units positioned at the front and rear of the motorcycle. That opens the door for premium rider assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane change alerts, and possible forward collision warnings. Technology once reserved for flagship touring bikes may soon arrive in the middleweight adventure category. Under the bodywork, changes are expected as well. The current Tiger 900 uses an 888 cubic centimeter triple-cylinder engine, but the new Tiger 950 is likely to receive increased displacement for stronger power delivery, improved torque, and better comfort during long-distance travel. Spy images also show a lower-mounted exhaust system, hinting at internal engine revisions and updated packaging. Triumph may also be revising the chassis. A redesigned frame and subframe could improve weight distribution, while a longer wheelbase may bring greater stability at highway speeds and more confidence when fully loaded for touring. This suggests the Tiger 950 is being developed for riders who want both versatility and control across multiple terrains. Visually, the new model appears sharper, more modern, and slightly more aggressive, while keeping the recognizable Tiger Adventure identity. As expected, two core versions are likely to return: a GT model designed for road-focused comfort and touring, and a rally version aimed at off-road capability with different wheel sizes, suspension travel, and terrain-focused setup. Equipment levels are also expected to rise significantly. A full-color TFT display, multiple ride modes, smartphone connectivity, and advanced electronic rider aids should all be part of the package. If that happens, the Tiger 950 could become one of the most advanced motorcycles in the mid-size adventure class. Current expectations point to a debut near the end of 2026, followed by market release in 2027. If Triumph gets the formula right, the Tiger 950 may not just replace the Tiger 900. It could reset the benchmark for mid-weight adventure bikes,